Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Sophia.
The room is quiet. The light is soft. I feel calm.
Same here. I made warm water with lemon. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Thank you. The cup is warm in my hands.
Friends who listen, hello. Today's topic is English in daily life.
We will use very simple English. We will speak slowly. Our goal is a 0 to A2 learners everywhere.
If this calm style helps you, please like and subscribe. Your small click helps more learners find us.
You can also join the channel or send a super thanks if you want to support more free lessons. Thank you.
Okay, Sophia. Let's start with the very first part of many days. Morning.
Yes. Mornings are full of small actions. Small actions are small words. Small words make strong English.
How do you begin your day?
I hear my alarm. I press snooze once. I sit up. I breathe. I say in my mind, "Good morning."
I do something like that too. I stand and stretch my arms and back.
Stretch means make your body long and loose.
Then I open the curtains and make the bed.
Make the bed means put the sheet and blanket in order. It makes the room look neat.
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
I take a short shower. A shower is water from above. A bath is water in a tub.
I use shampoo for hair and soap for skin.
I dry my hair with a towel. I put on a little face cream.
Then I get dressed. Today I wear a t-shirt and jeans.
I wear a light sweater. The air is cool.
Breakfast.
Yes. I eat oatmeal with fruit. I drink tea.
I eat toast with a little butter and an egg. I drink water first, then coffee.
Toast is hot bread. Oatmeal is soft, warm oats you eat with a spoon.
If I am in a hurry, that means not much time, I eat a banana.
Friends, what is your breakfast? Write one word in the comments. Oatmeal, eggs, bread, or fruit. Your line helps the class.
Thank you. And if this lesson helps, please like and share. Your support is a great help.
Before I leave the house, I check 3 things: keys, phone, wallet.
I do the same. I also fill a small bottle of water.
I check the weather too. If it will rain, I take an umbrella.
If it is sunny and hot, I take a hat.
I pack a small snack. A snack is a small food between meals.
Ready to go?
Ready.
Good morning. Tickets, please.
Hello. One ride, please.
Tap your card here, please. Thank you.
Tap means touch your card to the reader for payment.
I sit by the window. I look outside. I see people on bikes.
I walk today. I go along the river path. The air is fresh. On the bus, I listen to a short podcast. I keep the volume low. I walk and breathe slowly. Walking helps my mind.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. Please sit.
Excuse me is a polite way to start a small request.
When I cross the street, I use the crosswalk and wait for the green light.
Crosswalk is a safe place to cross a street. Look left, look right, then go.
If I need directions, I ask a short, clear question.
Hi. Where is the library?
It's 2 blocks ahead. Turn left at the park.
Block means the space between 2 street corners.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I arrive at the library. Arrive means come to a place.
I arrive at my office. I put my bag under the desk.
Hello. Welcome to Maple Library. Please keep your phone on silent.
Thank you.
I take a seat near a window. I open my notebook. I make a to-do list.
A to-do list is a list of tasks. My list: email, edit audio, buy vegetables, call mom.
My list: lesson plan, reply to comments, print pages, return a book.
I greet my coworker with small talk.
Morning! How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good. Busy morning.
Pretty good means quite good.
We keep the chat short and kind so we can start work.
I check email first. I answer short messages.
I write a lesson plan. A plan is a simple map for your work.
I add a meeting to my calendar. Calendar shows days and times.
I print 2 pages.
The printer is out of paper. Out of means none left. I add more paper.
After 1 hour, I take a break.
A break is a short rest. I stand up and stretch.
I drink water and look far away to rest my eyes.
After the break, I set a timer for 25 minutes. I focus. Then I rest for 5 minutes. This is a small focus cycle.
I like that too. It helps me finish tasks.
Hello, Ethan. Do you need help with the file?
Thanks. No, I solved it.
Great. Have a good day.
You too.
Around 10:30, I like a cafe break.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
A small black coffee. To go, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Short, polite lines make life easy. Please, thank you. Here you go. You're welcome.
Noon is 12 o'clock. Time for lunch.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi. I would like a bowl of soup and a small salad.
Tomato or chicken soup?
Tomato, please. Water to drink.
Card or cash?
Card. Tap here.
Yes, please. Here is your receipt.
Receipt is a small paper that shows what you paid.
I eat a simple sandwich I made at home. Bread, cheese, tomato, lettuce.
Lettuce is a green leaf for salad and sandwiches.
After lunch, I wipe the table. Wipe means clean a surface with a cloth.
I need fruit and batteries.
I need to return a book.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. Where are AA batteries?
Aisle 3, on the left.
Thank you.
Fresh apples. $2 a bag.
I will take 1 bag of apples and 2 tomatoes, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Returning this book today?
Yes. Here it is.
Thank you. It is on time. Have a good day.
On time means not late.
Let's add a few money words. Price is the cost. Total is the full cost. Change is money you get back after paying cash.
On sale means lower price today. Discount is money off the price.
Tip is extra money to say thank you for service.
Simple words, big power.
I need a haircut.
Hello, Maple Cuts. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to make an appointment for Friday morning.
We have 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Which do you prefer?
11 a.m., please.
Your name?
Ethan.
Thank you. See you Friday at 11.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Polite phone lines are short and kind.
I also need a small box of tea for my throat.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hi. I have a mild sore throat. Do you have mint tea?
Yes, aisle 5 on the right. Drink warm water too.
Thank you.
Mild means small, not strong.
Around 3 p.m., my energy is low. I eat a small snack, nuts or a banana.
I drink water or tea. I do a short walk. It helps.
I look at my to-do list and cross out 2 tasks.
Crossing out a task feels good.
Work day done. I take the bus home.
I walk home by the river.
Next stop, Maple Street.
You press the stop button and get off the bus.
Get on means enter. Get off means leave.
Hi, Sophia. Nice evening.
Hello? Yes, nice evening. See you later.
The building door is heavy. I hold it for the person behind me.
Thanks for holding the door.
You're welcome.
I check the mailbox. I have a small package.
The elevator is slow today. I take the stairs.
At home, I change into soft clothes. I wash my hands.
Tonight, I will cook simple pasta.
I will cook rice and vegetables.
I boil water. Boil means make water very hot with bubbles.
I chop onion and carrot. Chop means cut into small pieces.
I add salt and a little olive oil.
I add a little garlic. It smells good.
After 10 minutes, the pasta is ready. I drain the water and add tomatoes.
My rice is ready. I mix in the vegetables.
Dinner is ready. Would you like some?
Yes, please. Thank you.
We sit and eat slowly. We talk about our day.
We share one good thing. My good thing is a kind message from a learner.
My good thing is the walk by the river.
After dinner, we wash the dishes.
Dishes are plates, bowls, cups, forks, and spoons.
I wipe the counter. The kitchen looks neat.
I take out the trash. Trash means garbage.
I start the laundry. Laundry means washing clothes.
I read a short story while the machine runs.
I set the timer for 30 minutes and stretch my back and legs.
After chores, I like a calm walk or a book.
I like a short workout at home. Push-ups and squats.
Workout means time for exercise.
Sometimes I listen to music. Old rock makes me happy.
I like soft music. I also draw small flowers in my notebook.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes, but I keep it short.
I try not to scroll too long on my phone. Scroll means move up and down on the screen.
It is easy to lose time. I set a small limit, 20 minutes.
Good idea.
I send a short text to a friend. How are you? Coffee this weekend?
I call my mom on Sundays. We talk for 10 minutes.
A short line to end a call. Good night. Talk soon.
Talk soon is warm and simple.
Let's add a few simple email lines.
Subject is the title of the email. Attachment is a file you send with the email.
Polite starts. Hello? Good morning. I hope you are well.
Polite ends. Thank you. Best regards. Have a good day.
Simple and clear.
What if I miss the bus?
You can say, I missed the bus. I will be a little late. Then plan another bus or walk part of the way.
What if I spill tea on my shirt?
Spill means liquid falls on something. You can blot with a clean cloth. Blot means press, not rub.
What if the store is out of something I need?
You can ask, do you have more in the back? Or say, no problem, I'll take this instead.
What if my phone battery is low?
Keep a small charger or power bank in your bag. Charge means give power to a device.
What if my card does not work?
Try another card or cash. You can say, sorry, this card is not working. I will use cash.
I like the library for quiet and books.
I like the park for walking and fresh air.
The gym is good for a workout. Some gyms ask for a membership.
Membership means you join and pay to use a place.
Many places have rules. Read the small signs. No food, quiet area. Please clean the machine after use.
If you lose something, ask lost and found. It is a place for lost items.
A simple line to ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
A simple line to offer help. Do you need help? Or, can I help you with that?
If you do not understand, you can say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again? Can you speak more slowly?
If someone helps you, say, thank you so much. If you want to be extra kind, say, I really appreciate it.
Weather is easy small talk.
Nice day. It's a bit cold today. Looks like rain.
Travel time is easy too. How long does it take? About 20 minutes.
Food is friendly. Do you like spicy food? I like mild.
These short topics open doors.
Let's review a few time words. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
Months, January to December.
Quarter past means 15. Half past means 30. Quarter to means 45.
For appointments, can we meet at 2 p.m.? Let's meet on Tuesday. See you next week.
At night, I walk on bright streets. I stay aware.
If there is an emergency, call local emergency services. Stay calm. Speak slowly. I need help at...
If you are in a crowded place, keep your bag closed and in front.
Wear a seatbelt in cars and buses where it is required.
In many cities, people like short lines and personal space.
Personal space means a small bubble around a person. Do not stand too close.
A small smile and a short thanks can make the day better.
If you bump someone, say sorry. If someone holds a door, say thank you.
On weekends, my routine changes. I wake up later.
I go to a market, I look at fresh fruit and bread.
I meet a friend for a walk.
I clean my room. I do laundry. I listen to music.
I try a new recipe.
I prepare for Monday. I set out clothes. I pack my bag. Let's add short scenes you can use this week.
Ready.
Scene 1. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It's next to the post office.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Scene 2. At the post office.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need to send this package.
Domestic or international?
International.
Please fill out this form. Do you want tracking?
Yes, please. Scene 3. In the pharmacy.
Hello. Where is the pain relief?
Aisle 4 on the left. Take with water. As needed means take when you need it.
Thank you.
Scene 4. At the bank. ATM.
Please cover your PIN when you type.
Thank you. I will. Scene 5. Making a return.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes. Here it is. I would like to exchange this for a larger size.
No problem. The fitting room is on the left.
Scene 6. Coffee with a friend.
Want to meet at 4 p.m.?
Yes, see you at the cafe near the park.
Perfect. I will grab a table.
Thank you.
Alarm. Sound to wake you.
Snooze. Sleep a little more after the alarm.
Make the bed. Put the bed in order.
Shower/bath. Fast water from above. Slash water in a tub.
Get dressed. Put on clothes.
In a hurry. Not much time.
Arrive. Come to a place.
Receipt. Paper that shows what you paid.
Errands. Small tasks in town.
Neat, clean, and in order.
Workout. Time for exercise.
Scroll. Move on a screen.
Charger. Tool that gives power to a phone.
Membership. Join and pay to use a place.
Your turn. Write 3 lines about your day. 1. I wake up at 2. I go to work, Charlie school by 3. In the evening
Or write one tiny scene from today. For example, I went to the shop. I bought bread. I paid with a card.
If this helps, please like and share this episode. Your support helps more learners find us.
You can also join the channel or send a super thanks to power more free lessons. Thank you so much.
Today we used simple English for daily life. Morning routines, transport, small talk, work and study, lunch, errands, money words, appointments, health, cooking, cleaning, texts and calls, community places, safety, and weekend ideas.
We learned short lines that fit many places. Excuse me, please, thank you, here you go, card or cash. Have a good day. Talk soon.
We added small fixes for small problems. Missed bus, low battery, items out of stock.
With small, clear words, you can live your day in English.
Yes. Speak slowly. Smile. Keep it kind. Your day is your practice.
Friends, thank you for learning with us today.
Please subscribe for weekly A0 to A2 episodes.
See you soon.